Hi guys, some time ago I moved from America to Europe, and it's a very different culture. Every country has its own culture, and every continent too. It's not something easy when you are outsider. And I got some limitations. I have to for sell my equipment. I cannot transport all of them. And part of the equipment it was 120 volts, 60 hertz. Here is 120, 140, 50 hertz. So I sold my equipment. I gave away some of it, and I came with what I can put in just two baggage, low baggage. And I started from zero. And when I create a channel, I told in the channel, the challenge is to create an electronics business from zero to up, and to get a place in the electronics market. And that's what I did. After some while, as you can watch here, I have a place here, and in the old videos you can see my other place. I have two places to play and to work in electronics, to do repairings and teachings and whatever, to make private videos, as I'm doing too. And I'm working in the electronics manufacturing system too. I work as a manufacturing engineer. Sometimes it's hard to foresell the idea to the customer or to the boss, but that's the reason I use the word for sell, because we have to convince them about to take and appreciate something. It's part of the challenge. It's like for selling the service too. When we are competing in the marketing, in repairing, we are for selling our service. But anyway, some way, somehow, I grew up. I did it. The challenge is done. And now what we have to do is just to keep forward. This video is to thank you guys, because there are 4 million viewers and 20,000 subscribers. Thanks to you guys. I really appreciate it. And that means, yes, if I got a place in the market, electronics market, if I move it to another country, if I started from zero to up with the minimum I could, you can do it too. And now we only have one direction to go forward. We will share more videos about electronics. I will make more short videos about tips and tricks, and some videos in between about advising for the new folks, and long videos too about teachings, like the video how to use the oscilloscope and things alike. Thank you guys for your trust. Thank you guys for your support. I really appreciate you. See you next time.